That looks delicious. Yummy.
The weight of that sucker, even like as you think about
it's
it,
like a brick,
dude. I can't believe how well made these are.
It's like the new 3D style one.
They look fucking killer. We do and spend a ton of time on R&D work. Big piece of that is testing out other people's products, seeing what we like about them, seeing what we don't. Currently, we're going to install a DV8 Offroad light pod. It's a dual light pod. This is the third one I've had on this Jeep. Immediately, there's some things I like about this. I've got a few ideas that will massively improve it, but I got to get it on the Jeep to make sure that I'm right. T40 Torx bit. Their powder coating compared to what we do is night and day. They don't do a good job fixing the imperfections. That should actually look pretty cool when it's done. Yeah. I might want to mount the lights ahead of time, or at least the brackets, because it's going to be difficult once it's installed. It's going to be difficult. I may choose to go with a bigger washer.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
You're putting 4 on?
Yep.
Sweet.
So 2 pods. Aimed a little outward, 1 straight forward, so 2 on each side. Getting that for now. Tighten it after it's on there. Fairly straightforward install, actually. Did it pop out of that guy?
It did.
Install your bolts loosely at first, get them all into place, and then we'll hammer them all home. Yeah, I think this will work out really nice. I like this one the best. I've had them up here, and where it installs on all 4 corners. Haven't liked anything that I've touched that way. And then one with a huge bracket that goes all the way up, and I just hated that. So I really, really dig this, actually. The design's nice, or at least the fitment and placement's nice. We'll make a longer change, give this one a bigger faceplate so we can make sure to get either the Titan logo, the full name, or the shield. Now we'll knock the one out on the other side. Those holes need to be thinner, so you don't need another washer.
Hell yeah, Casey's.
It's so good. Like, it's really good. How about that? A little shout out to Casey's. I'm so impressed with the quality of these guys, though. Oh!
Drop one?
Yep.
Sure did.
I'll just polish now.
Yeah, these are a nice bracket too. It's actually tilted backwards a little bit. See that, Sean?
Yeah.
And then it comes wider down to here. Yeah, I actually really like that. Okay, cool. The other 2 I installed.
Yeah.
I really hated them.
Yeah.
Again, the fitment's off just a little bit. It's not so bad that you can't deal with it. It's really simple. Just drop them in, make sure they're all 3 a little into their home. There we go. Actually, dude, I really like the look of this one.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Of everything I've had on here, I like the way this looks the best. Doesn't look out of place. It's not way overkill. Could be a little bit snugger to the Jeep. I don't know if I need all that gap out of here. And then getting to that nut.
Yeah.
This has a lip, that has a lip, that has a lip. That's not exactly the most exciting fun thing to do. So something we'll be thinking about is a place for the wiring to go, and how to get a wrench to that bolt. The pod mounts in. Now we just got to get a light in place. Come look at how they install. How kick ass is that? Normally this bracket goes all the way to the outside. Sean.
Oh, what?
It slides
in the middle.
Dude, look at.
That's so clean.
How nice is that? I'm massively impressed with how these work.
Those are gonna be bright.
Yeah, they are. Just so impressed with this light. It's the little things. I love when companies get that. Why aren't you grabbing? Here we go. Now it's grabbing. I've been let down so many times that somebody actually taking some time to think something through shouldn't surprise me as much as this did. But
Yeah, I thought
it's nice.
Doing it the right way.
Yeah. There's not many of us out there really. The lights are the impressive part to me. The bracket's okay. So that's one thing we will do is get the bracket right.
Yeah.
So, Sean, do you want a soda? This is a garage fridge. This is how it's supposed to look. 9, 10, 11 bottles of wine. Ice cream and pizza.
I always got the garage fridge full of meat in it.
The garage fridge essentials.
Yep.
Rachel's married to me. She needs a lot of booze.
I'm gonna have to figure out how to open the fucker.
Sick. Since it wires straight to the auxiliary switch. Now it's too hot here. Huh?
Oh, wow. That is really neat. Okay. Now.
Mini torch action. These under.
That's where Troy fucking winched that dude out.
Yes. That's the exact spot I winched that guy out.
Yep.
I'm gonna need a lot more to hang on to than that.
It looks like people have backed all the way across the water and just fucking sent it. It looks like that's about what this guy's about to do. He's not even in four-wheel drive. Unless he's only got a one-wheel wonder.
Shit balls.
I don't know how the fuck he's gonna make it up the rest of the way.
Well, we're waiting here on a hill called Noise for the rest of them to catch up. And they're caught up now, but it's pouring rain.
Hey guys, Troy here at Titan Offroad. Be sure to subscribe to check out more cool videos.
I'm gonna need more than that. Otherwise I'll never be able to get these guys together.
How do you need more? That's like the perfect amount.
Not when I'm wiring these two together to one.
Oh yeah, my bad. Blame Rachel. I don't know which one.
Yeah, we're gonna have to educate some people.
Once they get to know the Rachels of the channel.
Yes, they'll get to learn that there is more than the one Rachel.
Yep.
All right. Always in the way.
Oh
no! Fucker!
What'd you up?
I didn't anything up. Just piece of shit. Okay, those are the black ones. Did I grab black wire for you between your legs? I meant R1. I need what's between your legs, not R2.
I
I was like, hey, Rachel, I need what's between your legs. Like, wait, no, babe, so you know I need what's between R1's legs. R2, I really do need what's between your legs, too.
Close it.
Okay, just hang on this time, please, until I can get this over the top.
Oh, lights up. Good boy.
Gonna show it up.
Gentle.
82 inches for the maximum noise. That's like insanely.
And
nice.
Apollo will do it too.
Really?
Yep, we got one more. Gentle. We taught him to like shake and roll over and just the simple stuff, you know.
What do you think? What do you use to connect for the batteries?
Usually those eyelids.
Like these guys?
Yeah. I hope I'm just as pretty of a recorder as Rachel is.
Well, she smells a little nicer, not gonna lie.
That's fair. I probably just farted.
Then we can pick up the back with the tow truck and tow it out of the woods.
So these are just
It already ran to the auxiliary
Yeah.
switch panel. Yep.
from the factory.
Yep. It's a selectable option. Yep. Package exactly.
Do you ever notice like men bend at the hips?
And then women a lot of times will squat.
Not my wife.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, he actually gets mad and excited. I'll be in shorts, right? Getting weeds out of the rocks in the front yard, and he's like, Rachel, put your butt down.
Like, what are you doing? Everybody in the whole neighborhood's watching. Here's my wife.
Like, you just go like this. I don't know.
No, most women bend at the knees. It's okay.
When I'm filling my water bottle at work, I bend at the knees. Oh, don't do that.
Finally.
Are you soldering?
Nope.
Seriously? Yes.
I'm not. Well, that's thick. Yeah, it's thick. This is the best set I've ever bought. So literally, I don't even bother. And look how much it shrinks.
Yep.
And you'll see as I give it a little bit more.
It catches the grooves too, and there's the glue coming out.
Yep. You can see the glue on that side too. So I just stopped bothering. Like,
Yeah,
no need.
it's good, nice and sealed.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, hold it right there.
Fucking mint, bud. It's got the prop rod.
One more will be good enough until I decide to tuck it all under.
Gotta make sure they fucking work and shit.
I'm sure they'll work. I ran it right.
I'm just meaning that they're not a piece of shit.
I'll follow. Oh shit, where'd you go, fucker? Are you fucking... You can't be serious.
You forgot to put it in the fucking hole. Oh my god.
You got it. Thank you. Too busy talking. God damn it. Small burning plastics. Well, I know what that's from.
Yep, that one's gonna burn off on the turbo.
Alright, put it down. What do you think the chances are?
Probably pretty good.
Bam!
Yeah.
It's daylight! More night go!
That's the otter.
I love toys. Now I just gotta tighten them down and we're done! And maybe we'll see you in the woods. Is that straight ahead? How do they expect you to tighten this?
That's correct.
We should have used shorter bolts. Now you have to go underneath there and turn it this way.
This is stupid. Why'd they make the bolt so long? Like, so dumb.
One eternity later.
I think that's tight enough.
Toby, back up the hill a little farther. And put it lighter in.
Not as tight as mine.